Bienvenidos a mi fiesta. I am la Profe Molina and today we are creating our own piñata. Now that it is summertime, outside parties have become a weekend happening and many kids' parties include piñatas. My kids love them, like Josie. Josie, say hola.
Hola.
Josie will have a piñata because it's her birthday party today. Feliz cumpleaños. She will take turns to beat the piñata with a stick. The piñata will break open and candies and toys will come out. It is so much fun, right, Josie?
Sí.
When I was growing up, we made piñatas from scratch. There are many versions of piñatas, like what you see here. We have a burrito, a donkey piñata, and maybe a pizza piñata. Today, we are gonna make a paperback piñata craft. Who doesn't want a personal piñata full of candy and toys, right, Josie?
Sí.
Do you want to try to make your own paperback piñata?
Sí.
Follow my easy instructions. You will need the following supplies: 1 paper lunch bag, tissue paper in many colors, scissors, hole punch, heavy string, tape, and glue. Fold the tissue paper in half and then half again. Cut 2-inch strips of tissue in different colors. Cut fringe along one edge of the tissue paper and unfold the tissue strips. Repeat this process 12 or 14 strips of tissue paper. Fill a paper bag with candy or small toys. Fold over the top of the bag about 2 inches. Punch 2 holes through the folded top of the bag and tie tightly with a string, leaving extra string for hanging. Starting at the bottom, glue the strips of tissue paper all the way around the bag, cutting where the ends of the tissue paper meet. Then repeat placing the strips on top of each other. Continue until you cover the whole bag. Once the glue is dry, your piñata is ready. Tie up your piñata wherever you will like. Have fun because it is party time. Fiesta. Here is the stick. And I'm about to cover Josie's eyes. Good job. Now it is piñata time. Dale, dale, dale. No pierdas el tiro. Here it is. And go. Yay, Josie. Adios.